In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to delete Facebook watch history. Make sure you are connected to internet. Now open your Facebook app. Here we go. Your home page appears. At the bottom you can see different options. Go to the option menu. Scroll down. You can see the option of settings and privacy. Tap on it. Tap on the option settings. Now here you can see different options as account, preferences, audience and visibility, and so on. Under your information option, you can see the option of activity log. Tap on it and then scroll down to the bottom. You can see this option logged actions and other activity. Tap on it. Now here you can see the option of videos you have watched. Tap on that. Now here you can see the option of clear video watch history. Tap on this. Tap on clear. Now refresh it. You can see no items. In this way you can easily clear Facebook watch history. I hope now you guys are totally clear about how to clear Facebook watch history. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.